The next question is E16.12. On January 1st, 2022, Magilla SA granted share options to officers and key employees for the purchase of 20,000 of the company's €10 par ordinary shares at €25 per share. The options were exercisable by grantees still in the employ of the company within a 5-year period beginning January 1st, 2024 and ending December 31st, 2028. The service period for this award is 2 years. Assume that the fair value option pricing model determines the total compensation expense to be €400,000. On April 1st, 2023, 3,000 options were forfeited when the employees resigned from the company. The market price of the ordinary shares was €35 per share on this date. On March 31st, 2024, 12,000 options were exercised when the market price of the ordinary shares was €40 per share. Okay, so the journal entries, prepare the journal entries to record issuance of the share options, forfeiture of the share options, exercise of the share options, and charges to compensation expense for the years ended December 31st, 2022, 2023, and 2024. So the question asks us to prepare the journal entry from 2022 to 2024. So we go on for the first date, which is on January 1st, 2022. So when the company grant the share options to the employees, there won't be any journal entry that we should record. So no entry required. And then as we can see that we have the total compensation expense of 400,000, and then the service period is 2 years. So it means that the company will allocate the expense into 2 years only. Yeah, so by using the simple straight line, so 400,000 divided by 2, so 1 year the compensation expense that we should recognize is €200,000. So at the December 31st, 2022, we must record this at the adjusting entry. So debit compensation expense, credit share premium share options, €200,000. And then we go on to 2023, which is on April 1st, 2023, 3,000 options were forfeited when the employees resigned from the company. The market price of the ordinary shares was €35 per share on this date. Now, so if it is forfeited, we need to take out the part of the shares that has been forfeited and reclassify into the expired share options. So we need to make the journal entry on April 1st, 2023. Debit share premium share options, credit share premium expired share options, 30,000. So this 30,000 comes from the part of the share options that has been expired. So 3,000 divided by 20,000, yeah, so 3,000 is the shares forfeited, okay, or the options forfeited, and then 20,000 is the total options granted, and then times the remaining compensation expense. Okay, so we get the 30,000. And then at the end of the 2023 year, which is December 31st, 2023, we must record the remaining compensation expense. So debit compensation expense, credit share premium share options, 170,000. Why? Because we have forfeited the 30,000. Okay, so the remaining compensation expense left is 170,000. And then the last date is on the 2024, so 12,000 options were exercised. Okay, so if it is exercised, as we know, is the exercise price is €25. So 25 times 12,000 it is 300,000, the cash that we receive. Okay, and then we need to debit share premium share options because it has been exercised. It is the 12,000 options that has been exercised divided by the total options, and then times the whole 400,000 compensation expense from the beginning. Okay, And then we will credit share capital ordinary. So 12,000 times the 10 euro par value. Okay. And then the share premium, it is the differences between the debit and credit, and you will get 420,000.